So, before I start, it might still get sunny today, so let me just... What did I just rub on myself? If you're saying sunscreen, you are of course correct, but I also rubbed nanoparticles on my body. So, why am I not panicking? Well, to understand this, you need to know what nanoparticles are, what they are used for, and if we can trust them. The term nanoparticle might sound exotic, but it basically just means that it's a particle which is very, very small. 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. To give you an idea of how small this is, take a look at this tennis ball. Now, imagine it 100 times smaller. Got it? Now imagine this 100 times smaller again. And again, and again, and again, and again, until you've done this 1,000,000 times. This is 1 nanometer. So, why do we bother with making materials so small? Well, when we go to a size this tiny, our material follows different rules compared to normal bulk-sized materials. For example, there is a class of nanomaterials which can emit colors. When they're small, they emit blue colors. But take the same material and make it just a few nanometers bigger, and now it emits red colors, simply by changing the size. Because of this, they're often used in displays, and chances are that some of you have a TV at home which has these nanomaterials in the screen. Of course, that's not their only application. Nanosilver is used in food packaging. Iron oxide nanoparticles are used to kill tumor cells. And sunscreen is made up of titanium dioxide nanoparticles. They're truly used everywhere. But how safe are they really? What happens once they enter the body? This is, of course, heavily researched, and we're learning more and more every day about how the nanoparticle type, its size, its shape, all affect the toxicity. For the titanium dioxide in my sunscreen, they found no toxicity, even at high concentrations. So, I don't have to worry. However, the field of nanoscience is relatively young, which means that we simply cannot know the long-term effects yet. There is no proof that it will be bad. There is no proof either that it will not be. Therefore, next time you hear of nanoparticles, I ask you to be critical, but not paranoid. After all, the particles in my sunscreen may or may not be harmful, but getting a sunburn definitely is. Thank you.